This film will show how rare white hides become luxury fashion.
Scan complete on number 42.
Welfare status is optimal. Moving on. Integumentary looks clear. Slight dry patch here. Noted.
Hooves look solid.
Yes, schedule routine trim.
The welfare metrics are solid, confirming full traceability on this group.
Excellent. The future leather yield projection is exactly what we predicted.
The hide quality on this one looks excellent according to the scan.
Good.
Make sure the pH levels are noted for the tanning process.
QR scan complete. The bison hide shipment is approved. Proceed to Dock 7.
Batch 42 alpha, weight confirmed.
See the scarring right here? That drops it straight to bag grade. Understood. I'll update the manifest.
Cross-reference the Montana intake against the leather goods manifest.
Verified. Full traceability confirmed from ranch to product line.
Excellent.
How are the levels looking on the fleshing?
Stable. The hide quality is perfect. We are good to continue.
The flow rate seems optimal on this section.
Yes, I'll log that. The color uniformity is excellent. Make sure the barcode is visible when you stack that one. Got it. This is for the boot line. Correct.
The viscosity is stable at 4.2.
Good. We need to ensure the optical purity remains high for the pale tone.
The input pressure is holding steady at 40 psi.
Good. Keep the flow rate consistent. The pH should stabilize shortly.
See the scarring here near the floor. Yeah,
Yes, I see it. It's minor, still qualifies for premium grade.
agreed.
The topographical data here is excellent. Look at the variation around this spine area.
Yes, we can optimize the cuts here.
Suppleness is good across the board. Confirmed. Entering the grade now.
The untinted swatch shows the true grain.
And the ivory finish next to it really highlights the texture difference.
Toggling to evening light now.
The consistency is remarkable across all settings.
Agreed. It passes inspection.
Gloss is holding steady at 92.
Thickness is perfect. Looks good to ship.
This one is definitely jacket grade. Look at the uniformity. I've got 2 handbag pieces here, and this smaller cut works for accessories.
The pressure on this line is fluctuating. I'm initiating the adjustment now.
Confirmed. The flow rate is normalizing according to the schematic.
Influent flow is steady at 200.
Sludge depth is exactly where we want it.
Pressure looks stable on the sand filter. What's the turbidity reading on the carbon?
Holding steady at 0.02.
We're seeing optimal levels here since the last adjustment.
Yes, the biomass is reacting well to the load from the bison facility. The flow rate is stable at 55 GPM.
Good, I'm logging the pressure differential now.
Conductivity is stable at 0.06 microsiemens.
And the pH is right at 7.2. Looks good for discharge.
Look at this pH spike. The trend line is climbing too fast.
And the flow rate is inconsistent. I'm adjusting the dosage now.
No impurities detected in this batch either.
It's good to go.
This final RO stage allows us to recover nearly all the water.
And this is used back in the tanning process?
Exactly, closing the loop. The alignment looks off on the jacket pattern.
Let me shift the hide slightly to the left.
Thickness and grain direction confirmed. Surface perfection is flawless on this panel.
Agreed. Checklist complete. Moving to sewing.
This diagram shows the proper orientation for the jacket panels. We must follow this exactly.
Understood. I'll make sure the cuts are precise.
The grain on this front panel matches the back quite well.
Yes, the texture is consistent across the set.
I have the collars ready over here.
This texture is inconsistent. It should go in the grade C pile.
Agreed. And this one matches the belt grade A standard.
Check the alignment on this batch. Make sure the edges match the spec.
Looks good to me. Passing it to the next station.
curing temperature is stable now.
And the edges are flawless. We are good to go. Buffing speed is steady at 150 RPM.
And the finish quality is excellent. Let's maintain these parameters.
We're past 15,000 cycles with no sign of failure.
Record that on the tablet. We should increase the tension.
Look at that beading. The finish is holding up perfectly.
Remarkable, minimizing absorption completely. This buckle has a slight imperfection.
I agree. And the zipper resistance on this one is too high.
Color stability confirmed. The die lot is approved for production.
Check the print quality on these, B. Looks good. Rare white bison hide, made in USA. Sealing the next batch.
Confirming receipt of pallet 701. Aisle 5 is clear for transit.
Bring it back another foot.
Clear on the left. Watch the door.
Okay, set it down. Let's strap this in.
So they handle everything from the ranch to the boutique.
The craftsmanship is exceptional.
Everything is well within the green bands across the board.
Water recycling levels are optimal, and throughput remains stable.
The traceability aspect is key, knowing exactly where it comes from.
Absolutely, and the environmental responsibility is impressive too.
Yeah.
The quality is simply unmatched. Yeah.
And the feel of this leather is incredible.
It really is built to last. commitment to ethical ranching and strict environmental controls ensures the meticulous craftsmanship in every albino bison leather product we make.